Whoever watches this video, I want you to do one thing. Download Medium on your phone. It's an app where you can read articles, you can read blogs, you can read so many good things, and you can also write. There's a free version and there's also a paid version, which is I think $5 a month. And I'm telling you now, it's worth every penny. People write about so many different topics, things like mental health, society, money, like self-development, so many different topics. And the reason why I'm pushing you guys to download it is because it also has a For You page. For You pages are now the norm. We've got TikTok For You pages, we've got Facebook, even algorithm-based stuff. We've got Instagram, we've got YouTube For You pages. If you watch 1 or 2 videos on YouTube, your whole page will become a whole algorithm into that kind of sector. If I watch 2 videos on, I don't know, how to edit a video, my whole YouTube will be full of that kind of stuff now because of the algorithm, the way things work. So the reason I'm saying download Medium is because if you're going to stay on your phone, which majority of the people, the way we are hardwired, we will be on our devices. The world of social media is here to stay. We will not deviate from our devices. We will not deviate away from social media. We will not deviate away from where the world is going. That's technology, that's high-tech stuff, and it's just going to get more and more. So what I'm saying is, if you're going to stay on your phone, at least download some apps which are beneficial to you and use them throughout the day. Medium, the reason I'm pushing Medium today is because I've started to use it myself. I've also started to write on it. So if you're watching this video, by all means go and follow me, support my work. I've started to make some, like random blogs and articles and whatnot. And I do enjoy writing. Anyone can write. You can text your friend and that is a form of writing. You can write an email to your boss, that is a form of writing. The articles on there are from real life people with real life stories, people who have amassed major following on Medium. They have amassed great amounts of likes and traction from their writing. So yeah, like this is a quick short video, a quick reminder to the people. If you're going to use your phone all the time, at least have some apps which will benefit you, like Medium. Download Medium. If you gotta pay for the subscription, just pay for it. You pay for Netflix, you pay for all this other stuff, but you can't pay for something that will actually, coach your brain, make you into a better person by expanding your knowledge and expanding what you know and just excelling yourself. The biggest investment you can make in life is yourself. People invest in so many other things, but they don't invest in themselves. Medium app, it's available on iPhone and Android, I'm pretty sure. Learn to read articles and learn to write articles. Just keep writing every single day, every week, every month. Just write something. Learn to write. It will benefit you. If you learn to write in today's day and age, you can use that by attracting an audience, building an audience, and then expanding that, starting to write and make videos from YouTube. Look, end of the day, I've wrote about 4 blogs. All 4 have a title. One of the blogs I wrote was about how to stop self-sabotage. Now, from that blog, I can easily make a YouTube video out of it. So you see what I'm trying to say? Anyone who's interested in content, in social media, in marketing, you need to understand that what you write about is what you can create about as well. You can make videos from that. So you can leverage your writing, your videos, and it can become a one-person niche, a brand, like I mentioned in the last video. So there's opportunities out there. But the first thing you do is just write. Put pen to paper, keyboard, whatever it is, just do it. And if you don't want to write, then at least read. Articles are there, like I mentioned before, about your mental health, about life, society, finances, about so many things. About in today's day and age, you can learn a lot from other people because them people are just normal people like me and you. I deleted TikTok off my phone for the last 4 days now, and I've not once thought, oh man, I'm missing out. Not once have I thought I'm missing out. Believe me, I'm not saying delete it. I'm not saying you need to be so extreme and stuff. I'm just going through a little detox, a dopamine detox, and believe me, I've been loving it. I've got Instagram on my phone because I just need Instagram because I like to do a lot of social media stuff and content-wise, and I'm always looking for ideas because I like to create things as well as watch things. So that's the reason I have it. There's better people behind me. I don't know what's going on. Download Medium, guys. It's good for you. Anyway, guys, that's all I wanted to say. See you guys soon. Stay safe.